Hello, I'm Frank from Carado. Today I will show you how to find answers in the most frequently asked questions. Simply visit our website at carado.com. Under Services, you will find FAQs. Just enter your question or keywords in the search bar, for example, leak test, and you'll get all the important information about the leak test of our vehicles. Our FAQs offer you answers to frequently asked questions, be it about technology, maintenance, purchase advice, guarantee or security. This way you can inform yourself at your leisure and get to know your Carado vehicle even better. If you cannot find a suitable answer to your question, you can send it to our team using the Submit Request button. We will contact you as soon as possible. See you soon on the road with your new Carado motorhome.